This video teaches you how to anchor an image to a specific position in a Microsoft Word document. Open your Word document. Enable Anchor Labeling. Click the File menu. Click Options. Click Display. Check the box next to Object Anchors. Click OK. Insert the image you wish to anchor. Right-click the image. A menu will appear. Click Size and Position. Click Text, Wrapping. Select a wrapping option. You can wrap text around an anchored image with every option except in line with text. This brings you to the Position tab. Set the image's absolute position. This defines where the image will be anchored. You'll have a section for both horizontal and vertical absolute positions drop-downs. Horizontal, select a distance from the first drop-down and then select a relative page element. Vertical. This is the same principle but defines how far below a page element the image will be anchored. Click OK. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.